Welcome back, dear students. So I am here with one more problem on stores ledger account. So that is illustration number 4. From the following details, prepare a stores ledger account under LIFO method, that is last in first out method. So on 1st March 2019, opening stock 1000 units at rupees 5 per unit. 3rd March purchase 5000 units at rupees 6 per unit. So try to understand LIFO method, last in first out. So whichever is in the bottom of that particular date, that stock will be issued first. Okay, so keep that in mind, in your mind. And point number 1 clearly says that is 1st March 2019 opening stock 1000 units at rupees 5 per unit. So opening stock is given, which we are going to record it on the balance column directly. Then 3rd March there is a purchase means a receipt, so that is 5000 units at rupees 6 per unit. Then on 10th March there is a issue of 3000 units. So there is a issue of 3000 units. Then on 15th March there is another issue of 2000 units. On 20th March there is a purchase 5000 units at rupees 7 per unit. So purchase is nothing but a receipt of materials to the stores. So next on 22nd March issue 3000 units, and 25th March issue 2500 units, and on 31st March purchase 2000 units, that is nothing but receipts, so at rupees 4 per unit. So in between one more adjustment has been given, that is on 12th March stock verification revealed a shortage of 100 units. So on 12th March there is a shortage of 100 units. So in such a case this shortage will be reflected in issue column. Clear? These are all will be always, shortage will always be reflected at issue column, so that you should remember. So let us open a stores ledger account under LIFO method. So first heading is name of the material. There is no any name has been given. Code of the code number, that is also not given. Description of the materials are also not there. Then we have a maximum level, minimum level, and a reorder level. So as usual, open the table for stores ledger account, that is the date. Then we have a particulars. Under particulars we have GRN, then quantity, then we have a rate, then we have a amount. Under issue again 4 columns: MRN, quantity, rate, amount. So at the same time in a balance column we will have a quantity, rate, and amount. See, as per the information given in the problem, on 1st March 2019, on 1st March 2019, so there was a opening stock. How many units of opening stock? So 1000 units of opening stock. What was per unit price? 5 rupees. So 1000 into 5, 5000 rupees. On 3rd March there was a purchase of how many units? 5000 units at rupees 6 per unit. So the amount comes to 30,000 rupees. So issue column MRN dash, quantity dash, rate dash, and amount also dash. So therefore the balance is, take down 1000 into 5, 5000 rupees. That is as per the reflection in the 1st March. So second, then you take 5000 quantity at rupees 6 each. The amount column is 30,000. So on 10th March again there was a further issue. So how many units has been issued on the 10th March? It is exactly 3000 units. So receipts column, so it is a GRN number nil, then quantity nil, then rate also nil. So in issue column MRN is also nil, but quantity issued is 3000 units. So at rupees 6 each has been issued. So 3000 into 6 is equal to 18,000. So therefore in the balance column 1000 into 5, 5000, and 2000 into 6, 12,000 rupees. So in the adjustment he has highlighted one point, that is on 12th March there was a shortage. A shortage of how many units? 100 units. So when there is a shortage, that is also issued on the principle of LIFO method. So we are going to pull it from the immediate next day's balance amount. Clear? So let us shortage, let us make an entry for shortage under issue column. MRN column, you should write shortage only if there is a shortage. Okay, shortage, quantity 100 and the rate is 6 rupees. So 100 into 6, 600 rupees. Then 1000 into 5, 5000, and out of 2000 units, 1000 units has been issued. So 1900 units at rupees 6 per unit. So that comes to 11,400 rupees. That comes to 11,400 rupees. Next, on 15th March 2019, there is a issue. So issue of how many units? Issue of 2000 units. So but as for how we have only 1900 units at rupees 6 each. So 1900 under issue quantity column. So 1900 and the rate per unit is 6 rupees and amount is going to be 11,400 rupees. So next again go to the 100 units. So at rupees 5 each, so that comes to 500 rupees. So what is the balance then? Out of 1000, if 900 has been, if 100 has been issued, yes, that is correct, 900 units at rupees 5 each. So cash price of that particular material is 4,500 rupees. So next, on 20th March 2019, so there is a receipt, that is nothing but purchase. So purchase GRN number is always nil, but on quantity 5000 units at rupees 7 each. So amount comes to 35,000 and receipt MRN nil, quantity nil, rate nil, and amount also nil. But in the balance column, yes, of course, in the balance column, 900 units at rupees 5 each, 4,500, 5000 units at rupees 7 each, 35,000 rupees. So we are moving further, 22nd March. So there is a only issue, there is no any receipt. So how many units has been issued? 3000 units has been issued. So 3000 into 7 rupees. So amount comes to 21,000. Then the balance is 900 units of rupees 5 each, that is 4,500. Then the balance is 2000 units at rupees 7 per unit, so 14,000 rupees. So next, 25th March, there is a issue of 2,500 units, 2000 units at rupees 7 per unit, 14,000. Then we have 25th March, there is further issue, that is because he has said 2,500, out of which 2,000 I have already transferred. So 500 into 5 rupees, so 2,500. And in the balance column, out of 500 units, out of 900 units, we have already issued 500 units. So left out is only 400 units. 400 into 5, 2,000 rupees. 400 into 5, 2,000 rupees. So then on 31st March, so there is a receipt, that is 2,000 at rupees 4 per unit. So that comes to 8,000 rupees. So the same date balance will be reflected as 400 into 5, 2,000 rupees. Then 2,000 into 4, that is 8,000 rupees. So we are done the problem under LIFO method, last in first out method. So open a table at last to show the working note. So that is stores ledger account working note. So that comes to, first take quantity 400, then take 2000. So put together 2400 quantities and at the rate of 5 and 4 rupees. 400 into 5, 2000 rupees, and 2000 into 4, that is 8,000 rupees. So that is how we calculate while preparing a stores ledger account. So I am done with this problem. I'll come back with one more video. So until then, stay safe. Bye bye. See you soon.